Chelsea. I had to make this raccoon video. This happened just last night, September 7th, 2021. This mama squirrel, this mama raccoon has been visiting me for a while. I wasn't sure if this one was a boy or a girl, but it turned out to be a girl. And she brought her kids, 3 kids, to my balcony for the first time. And I heard raccoon crying sounds for the first time. It was so cute. At the beginning, when I heard something, I wasn't sure what the sound was. And since it was so dark, I couldn't see what was happening. And I checked on this security camera, but it was still dark. I could see like 3 raccoons, 3 kids there, but couldn't see anything else. So it could have been something else, but I think it's a raccoon crying sound. If you know this, please let me know in the comment below. Those raccoon kids didn't eat the food I served. Maybe those raccoons are still having breast milk and can't eat. But this mama needed a lot of food. The kids were gathering on the stairs and mama checked in on them once in a while, and eventually the kids came to the water and experienced water. It was so cute. It must have been their really very first experience, water experience. They looked a little nervous in the beginning, but once they know what that is, they loved it. They kept diving into the water. It's been more than 1 year since raccoons started visiting me. And at the moment, I think there are at least 12 raccoons. Anyway, I wanted to post about this while my memory is fresh, my feeling is fresh. It was so beautiful to see raccoon love, and I was so excited to experience those mama raccoon trying to teach her kids things and hearing kids crying sounds and the kids experiencing their very first water at my balcony, probably. They're funny, cute. They're such great entertainers for me. Anyway, I'll post a squirrel video next time. Thank you for watching. Have a squirrel-tastic day. See you!